Activating your phone on Total Wireless is now simpler than ever, thanks to streamlined digital processes and eSIM support. We'll cover activating a new line, setting up a SIM or eSIM, and porting in your existing number. Starting fresh with a new line? First, you'll need an unlocked phone that's compatible with Total Wireless. Next, select a Total Wireless plan that fits your needs. Head to totalwireless.com or open the Total Wireless app. Enter your phone's IMEI number, your personal details, and payment information. The activation process typically completes in 10 to 15 minutes online. For those who prefer in-person assistance, visit a Total Wireless store. Their activation kiosks provide instant setup with minimal waiting. For physical SIM cards, start by inserting the card into your phone's SIM slot. Make sure the phone is powered off before insertion to avoid damage. Once inserted, power on your phone and follow the on-screen setup prompts that appear. Alternatively, open the Total Wireless app and scan the QR code on your SIM card package to begin activation. eSIMs are digital SIM cards that are embedded directly in your device, eliminating the need for physical cards. To set up an eSIM with Total Wireless, start by obtaining a QR code from them. Next, scan the QR code using your device's camera or settings app. This allows you to download the cellular profile wirelessly without needing a physical SIM. Ensure your device supports eSIM. Most modern iPhones with iOS 14 or later and Android devices with Android 9 or later are compatible. Before any activation, confirm your phone's compatibility with Total Wireless. Check their device list on the website to avoid activation issues. Visit totalwireless.com and use the device compatibility checker by entering your phone's model or IMEI number. APN stands for Access Point Name. It acts as a gateway between your phone and the internet, enabling data connectivity for Total Wireless. To access APN settings, go to Settings, then Mobile Networks, and select Access Point Names. On iPhone, navigate to Settings, Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. Configure these Total Wireless APN settings. APN is OTSN, MCC 310, MNC 120, APN Protocol IV4, and APN Type Default. Correct APN settings ensure your phone connects properly to the Total Wireless network. To keep your current phone number when switching to Total Wireless, use the port-in process. This transfers your number from your previous carrier to Total Wireless. You'll need several pieces of information from your current carrier: your account PIN, carrier details like the name and account number, a valid billing address, and ensure there are no outstanding balances. To start the transfer, open the Total Wireless app or visit the website. Select the port-in option, enter your current phone number and carrier information, provide your account PIN, and choose whether you're using a physical SIM or eSIM. The approval process typically takes between 2 and 24 hours. Don't cancel your old service until the transfer is complete to avoid losing your number. You can check the status in the app and contact support if there's a delay. This diagram shows how number portability works through the network, routing your calls correctly during the transfer. Once approved, your number will be fully active on Total Wireless. When porting your number to Total Wireless, the process typically takes between 2 and 24 hours for approval from your previous carrier. Avoid canceling your old service prematurely to prevent any disruption during the transfer. Ensure you have a valid billing address on file and no outstanding balances with your previous carrier to avoid delays. All activations on Total Wireless require an account. You can choose a personal account for individual use or a family plan for multiple devices. Additional options include add-ons for international roaming. eSIM adoption is growing rapidly. Total Wireless has seen a 40% increase in eSIM activations since 2024, driven by the convenience and eco-friendliness of digital setups. App-based activations are on the rise, now handling 70% of setups. This reflects Total Wireless's focus on digital convenience. AI is transforming phone activation on Total Wireless by providing intelligent assistance. AI-powered chatbots offer real-time troubleshooting, helping users navigate setup processes smoothly. These chatbots predict potential errors and suggest fixes before they occur, making activations faster and more reliable. The AI-assisted process follows structured stages similar to software development, ensuring comprehensive support from planning to completion. This creates a connected workflow where AI integrates seamlessly with activation steps for optimal user experience. The future of mobile activations points to full eSIM dominance by 2030. Phone manufacturers will partner with carriers to include pre-installed eSIM profiles on new devices. Advancements in blockchain technology are transforming port-in processes. Currently, number transfers can be slow and vulnerable to fraud. Blockchain provides secure, decentralized verification to eliminate unauthorized changes and expedite approvals. This means transfers could complete in hours rather than days. By 2030, expect widespread adoption for more trustworthy activations. Total Wireless provides seamless 5G network integration for all new activations, ensuring high-speed data access right from setup. Looking ahead, future activations will include automatic preparations for 6G networks, featuring enhanced connectivity and faster speeds. These activations will incorporate automatic network optimizations, adjusting parameters like power, tilt, and antenna height to maximize performance. By integrating these optimizations directly into the activation process, Total Wireless ensures users experience optimal network performance without manual adjustments. Activating family plans on Total Wireless lets you add multiple lines under one account for simplified billing and management. Use the app to activate all lines at once, taking advantage of bulk discounts that reduce costs per line. This streamlined process ensures all family members get connected efficiently through digital activation methods like eSIM. Experiencing problems? Use the AI chatbot in the Total Wireless app for real-time troubleshooting. Common issues include IMEI verification and network connectivity. For quicker SIM swaps, use in-store activation kiosks with QR code scanning. This speeds up the process significantly. Visit a Total Wireless store where tablets display QR codes for quick scanning. Scan the QR code with your phone to begin the SIM swap process. This method transfers your service to the new SIM much faster than manual setup. In a real-world example, a user successfully switched from AT&T to Total Wireless using eSIM on an iPhone 15 Pro. They utilized the app's QR scan feature, completing the port-in within 4 hours with zero downtime. The user started by switching from their previous carrier, AT&T. They scanned a QR code in the Total Wireless app to initiate the eSIM activation. The port-in process was completed in just 4 hours, and there was zero downtime during the transition. This example highlights the benefits of eSIM port-in. A quick setup with no service interruption. Backing up your data is crucial before transferring your phone number. Always back up contacts and other important data to prevent loss during the port-in process. On Android, use backup settings to save to Google Drive. On iOS, check iCloud or export contacts directly. Experts predict eSIM will cover 50% of global activations by 2027. eSIM simplifies the user experience and empowers carriers like Total Wireless to compete on convenience. In conclusion, Total Wireless prioritizes user-friendly and tech-forward activation processes. Whether you're setting up a new line, configuring an eSIM, or porting your number, the streamlined steps ensure quick and efficient service. By following the compatibility checks, SIM setups, and troubleshooting tips covered, you'll enjoy a smooth activation experience. With access to 5G networks, family plans, and AI assistance, Total Wireless makes connectivity simple and reliable. Thank you for learning about activating your phone with Total Wireless.